Sa nag-cover ng kasal natin ngayon para sa Fresh Minds Digital Photography Family, maraming salamat sa inyo. Alam ko marami kayong pinatayong balahibo sa ipinakita nyo kanina. Maraming gustong umiyak pero hindi na lang nila ituloy. We really appreciate that one. Napakaganda ng pagkagawa.
It was March 12, 3 years ago, when I chose you to be my best friend, my love. Who would have thought that this gift given for your graduation will reach this far? Our miracle lies in the path we have chosen together. It entered into this marriage with you today.
Gladys, did you come here today of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Jefferson, do you take Gladys here present to be your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, Father, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
I do.
Dinala pa ninyo yung inyong mga relatives and friends dito sa Calaruega na napakalayo sa Manila. It would have been easier for you to get married sa Manila if you want. But I think that you found something here in this chapel, something that you would like to somehow become a part of your promise of love and fidelity to each other.
I promise to love you in good times and in bad, with all I have to give and all that I am, in the way I know. This I promise not only to you, but also to the one who gave you to me, completely and forever.
Subalit datapwat bagamat ikaw ay nasa aking harap. At ako ay nanunumpa na isang magiging mabuting asawa para sa iyo. at para sa ating 15 anak.